Well, that was a fun project that we did with the kids. Unfortunately, the kids had to go back to school, so we were running out of time, and we'll probably come back and work on this project more another time. But I did want to address a few of the finer points in the build that you couldn't see in the videos. First of all, I cut these tubes that I mounted the motor on a little bit too long and didn't get good traction, so we had to make them, oh, I'd say about half a foot shorter. We bolted that to the land shark like this. We had to use 4 bolts for mounting it on because we found that the tubes would move around if they weren't very stable. We also used these spacers to make it closer to the ground. The batteries I used were actually 12-volt batteries from a UPS. Currently, we were only using one in those videos. In the future, we're probably going to add another one right here, and that should give it enough voltage to really make it move quickly, kind of be fun. Mounting the motor was a major problem. I opted with mounting a bar across the tubes like that, and then a channel bar, and then using zip ties to mount the motor to the bar. And what we found in the long run was that the motor would move. It would rock around like this. You can't really see it very well in the video, but there was so much force exerted against the chain as the motor would kick on that it literally would move the motor off this channel. So as you can see, I tried to fix that with multiple zip ties to keep it down. Probably in the future, we're going to have to come up with a better idea of actually using a metal bracket to mount it down onto that bracket. Let's see, what else was interesting? The problem we ran into in the video where Steven was trying to ride it was that here, right here in the front, there's a handbrake that as you pull it, it would stop the wheels. It was a great idea because then if the thing got out of control, we could use the handbrake to stop it. That actually was rubbing against the tires when Steven would ride on it. So I took a hammer and just bent this down a little bit more, and that's what made it work great. We also used just for our switch, really literally just a light switch wired into the battery like that. And then I guess I could show you just real quick one last turn on, and then we'll put this project to bed for a little bit. Here. There you go. And the advantage to using these batteries is I can charge them up pretty good. Unfortunately, mounting them was also a problem. I'll probably have to use like either Velcro. You can see some of the damage from it hitting the ground. I'll have to use either Velcro or some kind of really strong strap to keep it down on there. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below. And again, thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel, Land Shark Motorized Skateboard Build.